Okay, Tony, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, now here, I have here 6 questions or 6 conversation. What you are going to do is to complete the conversation between Nick and Paul by putting circle on the correct response of Paul to Nick. Okay? Encircle, Tony, the given answer or the correct answer that responds to this question of Nick. Okay? So go, Tony.
Đi làm người ta nghe là bữa khác không có cái mà học nha. Không có mà học nữa nè.
Okay.
Okay, very fast. Okay, Tony, read the conversation between Nick and Paul, numbers 1 to 6. Go.
1. Which was the best day? They were all good. How did you travel? We went by plane. Were you afraid? No, I wasn't. Was the weather good? Yes, every day. Did you take any photos? Yes, 45. You must show me them. All right.
Okay, so let's check now. Ready? Okay, number 1. Which was the
Okay.
best day? The answer is correct. Letter C. They were all good. Number 2. How did you travel? It's very good. Letter B. We went by plane. 3. Were you afraid? The answer is no, I wasn't. Was the weather good? Yes, every day. 5. Did you take any photos, Tony? The answer is yes, 45. Very good. And number 6, Tony, you must show me them. The answer is all right. See, very good, Tony. Look at here. Look at your answers. Your answers here are all correct. Look at this one. Okay, good thing that you understand the given conversation. That's good, okay? Great work. Now, here, Tony, I want you to find and the words that starts with letter W. Again, ha? Oh, no, sorry. Words with W. It's okay, not it's okay that they don't start with W as long as there is W in the word. Okay? Find a word that has letter W. Go.
Dây chuyền mới nè.
Để mua đó dây của anh còn em thì vẫn
Thì dây dây mới đi. Mua mới nữa nè. Đây và từ chuyển đi lại bạn nhé. Mua lại bạn.
như của em nó không đây nè. Cái con dây của em không có à? Mới gãy thì được con.
Dậy vô bình thường.
Để dán đi lại cho mà gãy cổ đi này dốt lên.
Bật điều hòa lên. Đóng cái trà này.
Để thở lại cái con dính này, hoặc là keo đến nha. Keo đến em dính này nha.
Đang bình thường mà.
Phòng.
Dính sao?
Hmm.
Nghĩ là của ảo. Hello.
Yes. Can you still see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, continue, Tony. Encircle the words with letter W.
Okay.
Okay, Tony, could you please read? What are the
Yes.
words? Okay, can you please read? What are the words that you found in this activity?
Đi này.
What are the words
Rất là
with
dám nữa.
letter W?
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Well.
Well,
Clown.
clown.
Word.
World.
World.
Next.
Town.
Town. Next.
Yellow.
Yellow. Next.
Website.
Website. Correct.
Walk.
Walk. Correct.
Snow.
Snow. Correct.
Wave.
Quay đứt giá đi.
Wave. Correct.
Watch.
Watch. Correct.
And swimsuit.
All right. Swimsuit. Are these all the words that has letter W?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now here, Tony, let's check. So, rainbow's correct, whale correct, clown correct. Look at
Nhưng mà
here.
bác có chữ W mà.
Oh, look at here, Tony. What are the words that you forgot? There is kiwi. Can you see the kiwi? Can you encircle where's the
Yes.
kiwi? Can you
Yes.
find where is the kiwi?
Đây.
Vặn mà.
This.
Yeah, that's a kiwi.
Nhìn này.
There is a
Cow,
sweater. Yeah,
Đó, thấy
there's
chưa?
a cow. There's still wind. Can you find
Có chữ
where's
về
the
đúc là được
wind?
chứ phải bắt đầu bằng về đúc đâu.
Can you
Which?
find where's the wind?
W.
Wind?
Yeah?
Yes.
Win.
Where's the wind? Okay. How about the word brown? Can you find where's the brown?
Brown.
Yeah, there is
Yes.
brown. Can you find it? Okay, in circle. Oh, there is one more. Sandwich.
Sweet.
Sandwich.
Let me find.
Okay, I'll give you time. Come on. You can
Okay,
find it.
okay.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Very good. There you go, Tony. Those are the words with letter W that's given in the crossword puzzle. So as you can see, most of the letters here formed word in here. Okay, so great work because you were able to find where are these words are. Great work. Okay, so those words will help you grow your vocabulary. See? We finished already unit, wait me, unit 30 AS7. Now here, 33, sorry. Now, Tony, since we still have few minutes left, how many minutes? Very few minutes left. We will use this few minutes for another activity, okay? Wait me. Okay, now what is unit 34?
Unit 34. What did you do then?
Very good. What did you do then? So I have here vocabulary words for you. What are the given words? We have
Jump.
jump. Next.
Call.
Call. Next.
Wait.
Wait. Do you understand these words?
Yes, I understand.
Good. How about these three more words? What are these words? We have
Shout.
shout. What else?
Plant.
Plant. What else?
Move.
Move. Okay, you know these words?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Next words, Tony. What are these words? We have
Play.
play. Next.
Help.
Helped. Correct. Next.
Change.
Change. Again, change.
Change.
Correct.
Change.
Okay, do not say change, but change. Okay, next. Next few words, Tony. What are these words?
Color.
Color. Next.
Phone.
Phone and?
Cell.
Oh, not sell. Listen.
Sail.
Again?
Sail.
Very good. It's sail. Sell is different from sail. Okay? So, Tony, when you say sell, it's like this. This is how you pronounce sell. S-E-L-L. Okay? Like selling. Okay? There you go. So, sail and sell are different words. That's why we have to pronounce the words properly. Next word, Tony, we have
Drop.
drop. Correct. This one.
Climb.
Climb. The next.
Dress.
Correct. Okay. Now here, we have here review. Let's just review this because we don't have enough time. So next meeting, we will still discuss this one. So Tony, we have here what we call past simple tense. If we say again, past simple tense, these are activities that are done already, finished doing the action. So if the action is done, we have to make sure to tell or to use the words in its past form. Okay? So it means the noun and the verb should be written in the past form. Just like when I asked you, Tony, a while ago, what did you do last weekend? You said, I go to school. Go, Tony, is not the past tense. Okay? You said, I go to school. Wait. I go to school. My question is, what did you do last weekend? It means it happened already. That's why if we are going to tell things that we do or we did before, we have to use the past form. Go, Tony, is not the past form. What is the past form of go? We say past of go. If you say I go
I-
to school, that's present.
No,
What is it?
I went to school.
Very good. I went to school. That's what I want you to remember. I went to school because my question was, what did you do last weekend? Meaning the action is done already or the happenings is done already. So we have to change the given verbs into its past form. So just like for example, we don't use is and are in the past simple tense. Instead, we use I was and or were. Okay? I was sleeping. We were playing with my best friend. Do not say we are playing last Sunday, but instead we say we were playing last Sunday because it's in the past. Okay? So Tony, we don't have any more time. Next meeting, we will go back to the vocabulary words in Unit 34 and we will still talk about past form, okay? Or the past tense, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, Tony, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class. Goodbye, Tony, and good night. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Good night, Tony.